little look at the house here where we live now. It's small, but it's kind of nice. And then we have here a nice grill. And for German standards, it's a pretty big garden. And then we have a couple. This is what I've been working on for a display for my cars. It's a Route 66 with a little sky, and under it's going to be a little land. I might try to draw a couple trees. I don't know if I can do that so good. And here's my little workshop that I'm still working on. Well, that cabinet's gonna go up there. It's kind of hard to see, it's dark in here. And here's my glass display case with some tanks in it. My other one with all the aircraft. And my collection, my stash. And in the back is some more. I'm gonna put these regals here with these ships back here on the wall. See if I can get some light in here. It's kind of cloudy and dark today. And it's still pretty dark. These regals with the ships go back there on the wall, and then that's the platform for my train, and it'll go against that back wall too. But I still have to move around some stuff. The car display case will probably go in this wall, and I need some more of these for ships. And here's the big X-wing. Everything's just kind of sitting here right now because been working on trying to just work, pretty much. That's probably pretty much it for that. I won't be showing inside. So let's get started on this review. So here's the Focke Wulf 190. This is from Italeri, which is a re-release of a kit from Dragon, which was also a re-release of a kit from TriMaster, which I've never heard of. But the tooling is from 1988 from TriMaster. Dragon took it over, and then Italeri took it from Dragon, from what I read off my website, which is ScaleMate. ScaleMate's website. They have like histories of these things, all these kits. The one thing I can say about it is the decals turned out really great, I think. But other than that, it looks terrible. There was a lot of fit problems. The exhaust is non-existent. The guns don't look good either. We'll start here on the top. No, you can't really see it. I wish I had an overhead light, but we'll go like this. Here along the front edge, the leading edge, and here along the walkway, it didn't fit. The whole wing didn't fit. I had to put so much putty in it. Here was major problems. Here was major problems. Here was major problems. Here was major problems. And the wing goes back into here, which also didn't fit. There was the part of the fuselage was rounded off, and the part of the wing was straight. So there was a big gap in there. Don't know. You can still see here where it didn't fit very well together on the fuselage. You can kind of see it, I think. That's as close as it can get, but you can see the split there. It took me 5 years to build this because I got so frustrated with the fit. You can see here it's a little uneven, and you can see the putty I put into it. There's so much putty in here, it probably weighs a lot more than it should. I did replace the guns with metal guns though, because the ones on the kit looked so bad. And I don't know if you can see, there's so much putty in it that here's a little air bubble that broke. I don't know. It wasn't like that, but the paint job and the decals look good, but other than that, there's no detail. Like I said, the tooling is from 1988, taken over by Dragon, taken over by Italeri. They added new decals, and there's been new parts added to it, but I don't recommend this kit at all. I think there's probably some new tool kits that are a lot better. I would dare say that the Hasegawa kit would probably be the best bet. This Italeri kit, it's not worth the time or the money. And I spend a lot of time on it. And a little extra money too, because of the metal parts I bought. And if I want it to look a little bit better, I'll take a look and see if I can find some quick boost exhaust for it. That's two things you definitely need. Time, putty, quick boost exhaust. An engine wouldn't hurt. And these metal parts for the guns and the pitot tubes and everything. And I don't remember what was with the guns that I put on it. I can't remember if those guns were in the kit or if I got them from another kit. The big ones. But, yeah, it's not worth it. Hasegawa would probably be better. In my next video, I'm going to take a look at this kit, the Golden Hind from Revell. This is a very, very old kit. If I looked right, it's from 1965, which is about, 20 years older than I am. More than 20 years older than I am. But it doesn't mean it's bad. So I'm going to do a review of this kit. I found it on eBay. It wasn't that much. So until next time.